Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Performance 20V Cordless Impact Wrench, the model PASSP 20LIC4 with smart battery 20V 4Ah and charger. Brushless motor, particularly long service life due to less wear and tear. Impact rate from 0 to 500 to 1500 to 1900 IPM. Screw capacity up to M33. Tool holder 1/2 external square, max loosening torque 1898 Nm, torque 130, 400 and 1356 Nm. No load rotation from 0 to 660 to 1250 to 1550 RPM. Accessories included. Compare it with the regular model. This one has up to 370% higher loosening torque, up to 230% higher tightening torque and up to 10 times longer motor service life. Download the Parkside app and connect this tool. Compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries and 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Durable case, Parkside Performance on a black and red color. Manual. Wow, that is huge. Quite heavy. A professional tool, definitely. Here you can have a second battery if you want. 8Ah performance battery. This is 4Ah. Wow! That is huge. Okay, what is that? Seriously now? Okay. Parkside. You can remove the battery, install 8Ah or 4Ah, recommended the professional battery smart batteries. Here we can see the battery capacity button, release button. Soft elements around, protect the battery. Smart battery with Bluetooth connection, I will show you in a few minutes. And of course we have the charger with a cable length 1.5 meters. Red light when it's charging, green light is fully charged, 4.5 amps, fast charger with an output 21.5 volt, 120 watts. Silicone pads at the bottom. We have some screw holes here. Is missing one silicone pad. If anyone finds this silicone pad, let me know. Maybe this other box. Yep. There you are. Nice and durable. I like it. It is the new model of the charger. We have the sockets. 3 sockets. 17mm, 19mm and 21mm. Quite heavy, matte color, I like it. And one socket adapter, 1/2 to 3/4. And the tool, wow, it is so heavy. Belt clip. You can remove and install it left or right. The indicator for the connection between the battery and the tool and the app, Parkside app. The rotation direction switch. On-off switch. Soft elements at the front. Robust housing. Metal at the front. And you can connect one of these sockets. And of course, and the battery is searching to connect. LED working light, speed level display, 1, 2, 3, and with the button you can choose 3, 1. is not changing, you need to change the speed and then nice. Wow, it's so heavy. So let's set up with the app this tool and the battery. Parkside app, add the tool, 20 volt 4 ampere hours. Indicator is on, finish. And there is the tool. 28 the battery capacity. I need to charge the battery before the first use, definitely. Connected with, can see in the indicator. Firmware update available for your battery. Let's do a firmware update. You can do that. It is a smart battery. Update finished. I have plug in and the charger, green light, ready to charge the battery. Direction of rotation right or left. There it is. Operation mode, nothing to change. Current level, we have 130, 400 and the maximum. So 130, confirm. Okay, 140, maximum, how cool is that to change the current level, Newton meter. From the button you can't adjust the level when it's continuously on. But you can do it from the app. LED work light, you can switch it off, switch it on. LED intensity, adjust, low, maximum. Fade out time from 1 second to 99 seconds. 1 second and it's off. Perfect. And we have the overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, tool total operating time, current temperature for the battery, lock the battery, you can set a pin, operating mode, and here you can choose performance, balance, eco, expert. On expert mode you can adjust the discharge voltage from 2.5 to 3.4 and discharge current from 5 amps to 50. Performance. Overheat notification. Identify the battery. It will flash the battery capacity for a few seconds. That's how you know which battery you have installed at the tool, if you have more than one battery. Current charge, discharging current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, some information for the battery. Right rotation, please charge the battery, I will do that. Okay, enough playing with the app, but I just love it. I have a question for my viewers. Are you using the app or not? Use it only once and forgot to use it again? Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. So let's move on for testing. Before that, charge the battery. Since it comes with a 4 Ah battery, I will test this tool with the 4 Ah battery, not with the 8 Ah. And it has a fan. Nice. The 2.4 amps model regular charger, it doesn't have a fan. This is the fast charger. And that's it everyone, we've just taken a closer look at the Parkside Performance 20V Cordless Impact Wrench, and I have to say this tool is a game changer for anyone tackling automotive repairs, DIY projects or heavy-duty tasks. With its powerful 20V motor, compact design and cordless convenience, it's built to deliver high torque and reliable performance without the hassle of cords. If you're someone who values efficiency, portability and professional grade tools, the Parkside Impact Wrench is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for mechanics, car enthusiasts or anyone who needs a dependable tool for loosening or tightening bolts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.